Your price structure. I made a video about this the other day. Very important to come up with some sort of good, better, and best model. What you don't want to do is have all of these different price structures that don't make any sense. So if you're going to pick hourly, create price structures that are hourly, maybe different hourly rates. If you're going to pick a daily rate, pick a daily rate that's different daily rates. Maybe you have 2 daily rates and a monthly rate, depending on like how often someone uses your services, and you can show maybe the savings on that monthly rate. But the reality is like just have a good, a better, and a best option. Any more than that is going to cause confusion, and it's going to make it harder for customers or consumers to make a decision to move forward, right? Because we're all about increasing census, but in order to increase census, we have to, have more and more families commit to the idea of utilizing your services, right? So how do I simplify my options? Maybe it's too complex. How can I get down to 3, and how can I make it simple? Number 2 is you want to figure out how can I add value. If you have a good, better, and best option, how can you add value without adding a lot of cost to you, right? So you can, create this best option, and it sticks out like a sore thumb. It's like, wow, that actually, that's a really good deal. And it includes all these things, but those things maybe they don't actually cost you a ton of money in, like, say, labor or transportation costs. Maybe you're adding, some hair and nail discounts, or including showers, or including different things, whatever you think, in your world is going to work. But it's like, man, under this plan, it's like they get a reduced rate. They include these things. It's like, man, this is just a good value. But the thing is, the things you added, they didn't really cost you any money. It was more of a thing that, like, it got you to get a customer now, to increase your census, and they're going to be willing to stay longer and stay more often and come more frequently. And as a result of that, that individual is going to spend more time and create a reoccurring revenue that, like, is going to help you build a base. And by doing so, you're providing these extra little things, but they don't cost you directly. They're ancillary services that, maybe you break even on, but at the same time, it's showing that you're adding a lot more value. And so can you make one of those things maybe stand out more than the other? So it's like, that's the one, like, everyone goes towards that one. And that's the one that we're trying to, like, target and get them to. So good, better, best, come up with 3 options and keep it simple. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.